Okay, so this one is Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro. Kind of a cool street. There's like a little park right in here. That's kind of a cool building. Really like those balconies a lot right there. And then there's more kind of interesting housing that goes all the way up. And then we're gonna do is walk down the street a little bit, and we're gonna go in this alley and kind of check it out. So so stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So before we even go up, let's take a look at some of these at this corner. So this is kind of interesting because you got some nice tree-lined streets right there. There's a tiny little park right there. We're in a really dense area right now. And you have this beautiful little space. I really like right there. There's like a couch. I'd love to have an apartment like that where I could just look down on the street like that. I don't know if you can see that right there, but there's a couch sitting right there. So there's giant balconies, so you can just walk out, sit on your couch for a while, check out all the scenes, take a look at everything. See, I really like that a lot. So anyways, what we're gonna do is walk down this kind of cool little street, and we're gonna show you this alley. The alley is kind of interesting as well. I filmed this street not too long ago, as an aside, but I just filmed a different part of it. Vietnamese hat coming at us. It's kind of cool too. And then I kind of wanted to capture this alley. This alley has all these fire escapes like that, right? So you can see they go all the way up. So it goes all the way down from there, all the way up. It's kind of interesting. I don't really see that many fire escapes like that, so visible in public, like quite like that. Anyways, there are fire escapes that I see, of course, but those are kind of cool. I kind of wonder if they have to go up those ways to get into their apartments. We're gonna follow this all the way down. There's some little balconies there too. I wouldn't be as interested in these balconies because you can sit outside, but you don't really have a view of anything. Especially this one, because at least that one you can look down the street a little bit. I'd like to see one. Oh, that's interesting. Got a brick wall right there. I guess I didn't want. So here's a patio. So we got, oh, this whole thing is a patio. So this actually does have a name. So it's a patio, and you have all this stuff. So okay, maybe I might actually label this Patio de Adolfo Loureiro, because actually that was the main goal anyways, was the patio. And now you can see what it looks like. It's just kind of filled with all these kind of fire escapes and tall buildings like that. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a little patio. Patio de Adolfo Loureiro. So let's just kind of go all the way down and check out all these. These are kind of cool too. I mean, started looking at them, but I just think they look so cool from both sides. So yeah, this is a little patio. So I guess our focus is actually the patio, not the street. And that's the street that it's on. This little work space over there. So let's come on back out of the patio. Show you both sides of the street. So we got that whole street down that way, and then back to one of my favorite. Sometimes I walk around in this area, and every time I see that couch on that balcony, I'm just like, dang, that looks so cool. That one right there in the corner. I'm just gonna go back and kind of. They got all their laundry hanging up today. But it's just like such a cool space. They really use it well. A lot of times I don't really see people sitting out on the balconies on a couch like that. And but if they did, that'd be just so cool. Actually, all those ones have balconies all the way up and down. So anyways, that was our focus, was down that way. So hope you like that one, and we'll end it right there.
Chiquinha.